Meet Luna, an imaginative, creative little girl with a passion for art. One day, Luna stumbles upon an old, seemingly ordinary paintbrush hidden in her grandmother's attic. Intrigued, Luna puts the paintbrush to canvas, and to her astonishment, her simple stick figure begins to move, transforming her artwork into real living characters right before her eyes. Excitement sparkles in Luna's eyes as she sets on to create a world of her own, painting everything from enchanted forests to a group of friendly animals. Her not so ordinary days start with the swish of her magical paintbrush, bringing into life a world teeming with adventures and amazing creations. However, to Luna's surprise, she soon discovers that being a creator also comes with responsibilities, and each magical stroke teaches her important lessons about creativity, friendship, and the power of imagination. Watch as Luna navigates her beautifully crafted world, creates lifelong friendships, and learns the